Watch this video for the hottest and latest story make you know wetin dey happen for world. Na Pidgin Tori Global be this, where foreign tori dey drop for your ear with correct Naija Pidgin. If e dey happen for world, we go dey run and hear the way you sabi am. Oya make we enter today gist. Na serious wahala burst for grass, Austria, second biggest city, as 10 people don die for one secondary school shooting, including the suspect gunman. According to police, the wahala happen for Gas High School around 10 a.m. local time. Among the dead people, na some students, at least one adult, and the person wey do the shooting. Plenty others still get serious injury. Police don talk say dem secure the school area already. If you dey around grass, dem say make you try reach out. Austrian Chancellor Christian Stocker don call the matter one national tragedy, say the whole country dey feel deep pain and grief wey word no fit describe. Government officials still dey give updates live as the matter dey unfold. Drone wahala for Russia don increase steady for Ukraine, especially for Kyiv. Monday night, dem launch another serious attack. From midnight reach morning, drones full sky like mosquito. They buzz anyhow from every corner. Machine gun noise and air defense bullets full everywhere as dem dey try shoot down the drones. One fire wey burn far away even show clearly for hotel window, and the moon sef look like say e dey shame to shine with all the fire for sky. Ukrainian Air Force talk say dem detect 315 drones that night. 250 na actual strike drones, most of them dey target Kyiv. Russia still add 7 ballistic and cruise missiles join the attack. Since June start, Russia don dey fire average of 256 projectiles every day, majority na drones. Most na Shahed drones, some na decoy wey dem use confuse air defense. Reports say for May alone, Russia fire over 4,000 drones, highest number so far. This June fit break that record again. Ukraine Security Service talk say Russia dey produce their own version of Shahed. Dem call am Geran for one zone for Tatarstan. So far, over 25,000 don come out from there, plus another 20,000 wey dem assemble from Iranian parts. Some apartment blocks and offices damaged on Monday, and for the first time, one major historical site, St. Sophia Cathedral, feel blast shockwave. Culture Ministry confirm say the outside wall plaster get small damage, but the inside still dey okay. Wetin clear be say the bombardment no dey slow down, and e dey shake life for people wey dey live far from front lines. Russia don send strong message give US say make dem stop to expand NATO if dem really want peace. Deputy Foreign Minister Sergei Ryabkov talk this one to state news agency. E say the wahala between Russia and US go continue unless America takes serious steps to settle the main security problem. According to am, NATO expansion na the #1 problem. If dem no solve am, make nobody expect say the fight for Euro-Atlantic region go end. E talk say US need to show respect for Russia's core interest if dem really serious about better relationship. Russia don always blame NATO wey dey move closer to their border, and Ukraine wey wan join as the reason wey make dem enter war. Ryabkov talk say until the expansion stop, peace no go show face. Some Ukrainian soldiers wey Russia hold for over 3 years don finally return home after prisoner exchange. Many of them look weak and slim well from the suffering. Families gather for Chernihiv. They find news about their people wey still dey miss. Some believe say their husbands still dey alive inside Russian custody, even though dem never hear anything for months. This na the 66 prisoner swaps since Russia begin full invasion. Dem expect say about 1,000 prisoners of war go change hand. Russia don also agree to return 6,000 bodies of Ukrainian soldiers wey don die, and dem dey expect Ukraine to do the same. The exchange na one of the main things wey come from the recent Istanbul meeting, and dem say the process go still continue for the next few days. Tori don burst as US President Donald Trump don send more soldiers go Los Angeles, say na to stop the wahala where immigration raids dey cause. This na the 4th day wey wahala dey happen for street. Kasala dey happen for street. Dem don add 700 US Marines join, and National Guard troops wey dey ground don double reach 4,000. But California Governor Gavin Newsom vex say Trump dey do like dictator wey don finally see im mad dream come true. California sef don carry the matter go court, say the man no get right to send troops enter state without the governor consent. For Yankee, e rare make soldiers dey do police work for inside country. Mexico government say at least 4 of their people wey dem arrest since Friday don already land for Mexico. Na since 1965 dem last see president wey send National Guards go one city without say governor gree. Dem don use Marines before for things like Hurricane Katrina and 9/11 wahala, but no be for protest. Trump never invoke the Insurrection Act yet. That one na wetin go give soldiers power to join police direct. LA County Prosecutor Nathan Hushman talk say the extra troops no dey necessary. According to am, na just small part of LA people dey protest and a few still dey misbehave. But e still confirm say kasala dey from people wey dey burn way more car to them where they throw bricks and cinder blocks give police. Even one person ride bike enter police. For the BET Awards where they happen for Los Angeles, Kendrick Lamar na the real MVP as he pack 5 awards from 10 nominations. He win Best Album for GNZ, Best Video for Not Like Us, and still carry Male Hip Hop Artist of the Year. Lamar and him video partner Dave Free still win Video Director of the Year. As he talk for stage, he hail BET say them always they represent black culture correct. Comedian Kevin Hart hosts the show, and another highlight now when rapper Doechii win Best Female Hip Hop Artist. As she climb stage, she blast President Donald Trump say he dey use military stop protests for LA. She say wetin be this kind government where they send soldiers anytime we protest. Lamar don nominate before. Last year, he win 8 out of 11 for BET Hip Hop Awards. The Ultimate Icon Awards na award where they honor music, entertainment, and community work. Jamie Foxx collect him award from Stevie Wonder and talk about how he survived stroke for 2023. He say when he see the memoriam part, he just talk say, "This fit be me." Mariah Carey performed too, and Busta Rhymes give her awards. She talk say if person go win anything, e good make it start with Ultimate Icon. Na real big night for black stars. UK don drop heavy sanction on 2 far-right Israeli ministers Itamar Ben-Gvir and Bezalel Smotrich because of some comments wey dem make about Gaza. The 2 men now no fit enter UK again, and any money or property wey dem get for UK go remain frozen. UK Foreign Secretary David Lammy talk say both men incite violence and abuse Palestinian human rights. Israel no take am funny. Dem first say UK dey target elected government officials, call am outrageous, but Lammy no shift. He say na time to hold people accountable, push for ceasefire for Gaza, release hostages, increase humanitarian aid, and shares 2-state solution. Israel own Foreign Minister Gideon Saar say cabinet go meet next week to respond to the UK wahala. The move dey come as UK plus some other Western countries like Australia, Canada, New Zealand, and Norway dey try apply some pressure on Israel to stop violence, especially the intimidation of Palestinians for West Bank. Foreign Office still talk say the sanctions no just dey about Gaza alone, but say Israel must respect international humanitarian laws. Eurostar don talk say they run direct train wey go dey carry people from London straight to Germany, Frankfurt, and Switzerland, Geneva. Dem plan to buy about 50 new train wey go cost near €2 billion. Na about 1.7 billion pounds, and dem say all of them go dey ready before early 2030s. If everything go as planned, London to Frankfurt go take about 5 hours, and London to Geneva go take small pass 5 hours 20 minutes. But e get small wahala. Dem never sure if space go dey for their train depot for East London to keep all these new trains. According to Eurostar CEO Gwendolyn Kesnev, people dey rush train pass before, even though things dey cost and economy dey tight. She said this one na new golden age of international sustainable travel. Dem new trains go replace some of the old ones and go increase train movement for London by 30%. Dem still get plan make train dey move straight from Amsterdam and Brussels to Geneva too. Dem dey work with their partners to arrange all the logistics. But we never sabi if the train go stop for other places make people enter or drop. Na Eurostar dey chase this big plan wey go shake train travel for Europe. European Commission dey plan to drop 18th round of sanctions against Russia according to Wetin Financial Times report. Dem say the new package go reduce the oil price cap wey Russia fit sell from $60 to $45 per barrel. The plan still include ban on use of Nord Stream gas pipeline infrastructure, plus dem wan add more Russian banks and shadow fleet vessels to the sanction list. Na 3 pipo wey sabi the matter bring the gist as EU dey try pressure Moscow more because of the ongoing Ukrainian war. Israel don deport Swedish climate activist Greta Thunberg after dem intercept the Gaza-bound aid boat wey she and 11 other people dey inside. Dem stop the boat, the Madlin, on Monday for Mediterranean Sea as e dey try carry small aid go Gaza to challenge Israel's sea blockade and raise awareness about the humanitarian wahala for the area. According to Israel, Greta agree make dem deport her and she don fly go France from Tel Aviv on Tuesday morning. But 5 of the 6 French citizens wey dem catch with her refuse to sign deportation papers. France government don talk say dem go face court process now. The boat dey run by Freedom Flotilla Coalition (FFC) and the group don demand make Israel release everybody wey dem hold and return the aid items. Israel Foreign Ministry mock the boat, call am selfie yacht and talk say dem carry the passengers go Ben Gurion Airport after the boat reach Ashdod port Monday night. Dem warn say anybody wey no gree leave go face Israel law for deportation. People from Sweden, France, Brazil, Germany, Netherlands, Spain and Turkey dey on board. France Foreign Minister Jean-Noel Barrot confirmed say 6 of their citizens dey among the detainees. Dem still shout say the detention be like kidnapping and a violation of international law. Israel come talk say the aid, baby formula and medicine go still reach Gaza but through the real humanitarian channels. Now the tori be that for today, and na Rebecca Goffey dey report for Pidgin Tori Global. Una do well.